It is a beautiful morning on Captiva Island. This water is very calm right here. And then on the other side of those rocks, it's very choppy. So I found this huge shell pile. I'm going to do a quick peek through, see if I can find anything. The sun is just coming up, so sorry for all the shadows. You know, I like my oysters for whatever odd reason. There's another piece of an oyster. That's a pretty scallop. Oh, lots of oysters today. They look good in my shell garden. Wish she wasn't broken. That'd be a miracle. This is the biggest shell pile I've seen so far on this beach. That's a boat right there? So you're gonna be on the other side of the rocks? Okay, I'm gonna just glance through this and I'll be over. Okay. Do you want your pliers? Okay. That's another. I gotta look what these are called. I mean, it's kind of just like a clamshell, but it's a pretty clamshell. There's a spiral. There's another small piece of oyster. Oh, lots of little oysters. Something's stinky. That's the problem with shell piles. Usually something stinky in the shell pile. That's a spiny jewel box. That looks pretty good. Oh, there's another one. I guess that's the oyster, or I'm sorry, clamshell strip. That's a pretty scallop. You see that? You see that? I need to quit walking off without my shell bag. It's kind of full of stuff today. Robert's fishing. I got his pliers. I got bug spray. I got a charger. I got water. Always important. Carry around a bottle of water. Keep hydrated. It's very easy to forget to drink water and you start getting a headache. It's because you're not drinking enough water in the hot Florida sun. That's a big oyster right there. I'll keep that. So yeah, I don't normally drink a lot of water, but when I'm in Florida, I drink a lot of water. Otherwise, I'll get a headache. Someone sat and dumped that shell pile right there. Look. It's this pretty orange scallop. And go to the other side. Have the sun to my back. Maybe won't be as shadowed. August 1st.